In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord pausing Spotify glitch. If you've ever been listening to your favorite music on Spotify while chatting with friends on Discord, only to have your music suddenly pause, you're not alone. This is a fairly common issue that can occur due to Discord's audio settings, overlay features, or conflicts between how both applications manage audio activity. The good news is that there are several simple adjustments you can make that often resolve the problem and allow you to enjoy uninterrupted music while using Discord. To get started, open Discord and click on the gear icon to access your user settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the voice and video section. This area contains several options that control how Discord detects and processes audio input from your microphone. As you scroll through the voice and video settings, locate the option called Automatically Adjust Input Sensitivity. If this setting is enabled, turn it off. When input sensitivity is set too high, Discord may mistakenly interpret background sounds or music as voice activity. This can sometimes interfere with audio playback and contribute to Spotify pausing unexpectedly. Disabling automatic sensitivity gives you more control over how Discord detects sound. Next, continue scrolling through the settings and open the Registered Games section. Here, Discord keeps track of applications it detects while you're using your computer. If Spotify appears in the list of detected applications, toggle it off. This prevents Discord from treating Spotify as an actively managed application, which can help eliminate conflicts between the two programs. After that, head over to the Game Overlay section. The Discord overlay is useful in some situations, but it can occasionally interfere with media playback and other applications running in the background. Locate the Enable Overlay option and switch it off. This simple change can improve compatibility and reduce unexpected interruptions while listening to music. Now it's time to check Spotify itself. Open Spotify and access the settings menu by clicking on your profile. Review the available playback options and disable features such as autoplay or broadcast status if they are enabled. These settings can sometimes contribute to conflicts with Discord's audio handling and may cause playback interruptions. Finally, make sure both Discord and Spotify are running their latest available versions. Older versions can contain bugs or compatibility issues that may result in unexpected pausing behavior. Keeping both applications current helps ensure the best possible performance and stability. And that's it. We just learned how to adjust Discord audio settings, disable the overlay, and tweak Spotify options. These changes can help stop Spotify from pausing while you're using Discord and make your listening experience much smoother. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,